Assalamualaikum children, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine and happy with your family. I am Teacher Tini. Before we start our class, let's recite doa penerang hati first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alayna hikmataka wa insyur alayna min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Dan jangan lupa doa waktu pagi juga, okey? Let's recite together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan tayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbal. Amin. Okay, children, let's start our class. Surah hafazan for today is Surah Al-Bayyinah from Juz'u Amma. Don't forget to memorize this surah with your parents. Okay, now teacher want to tell you a very short story about Nabi Daud alaihi salam. Nabi Daud adalah Nabi yang ke-17 daripada 25 Nabi yang perlu kita tahu. Nak tahu tak kisah Nabi Daud? Sebenarnya Nabi Daud ni seorang yang sangat pandai. Baginda juga mempunyai suara yang merdu. Kita tak boleh kan faham bahasa burung, tapi Nabi Daud faham. Nabi Daud boleh bercakap dengan burung. Lagi satu, Nabi Daud ni ada kuasa magic tau. Allah bagi Nabi Daud boleh melembutkan besi. Besi tu keras tau. Kita tak boleh nak lembutkan besi, tapi Nabi Daud boleh. Okey, kita umat Nabi Muhammad ada kitab Al-Quran. Nabi Daud ada kitab Zabur. Nabi Daud juga sama seperti nabi-nabi yang lain. Baginda juga perlu menyampaikan dakwah ke jalan Allah, mengajak semua membuat kebaikan. Okay, today we need to use this book, Nursery Program Book number 1. Okay, let's turn to page 25. For this page, you need to read. Okay, let's read together. This is letter E. E for elephant. Repeat after teacher. E for elephant. Okay, turn to page 26. This is letter F. F for frog. Repeat after teacher. F. Frog. Very good. Okay, for this page, you need to count and match the number. Match the number correctly. Okay, for this page, you need to count and match the number. Okay, for example, how many apples here? 1, 2. Okay, this one is 2, right? Then match. Okay, you can continue with this one. You count the apples and match with the correct number. After you have finished page 27, now look at page 28. Okay, last week we already learned about circle and square. Today, we want to learn about triangle and rectangle. Repeat after teacher. Triangle, rectangle. Okay, now you need to trace the shape of triangle and rectangle using the color pencil. You need to join all the dotted lines like this. Okay dear, we are done with today's lesson. Before we end our class, let's sing a song together. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kalau rasa gembira tepuk tangan. Kalau rasa gembira tepuk tangan. Kalau rasa gembira beginilah caranya. Kalau rasa gembira tepuk tangan. Kalau rasa gembira kata hure, hure. Kalau rasa gembira kata hure, hure. Kalau rasa gembira beginilah caranya. Kalau rasa gembira kata hure, hure. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell to stay updated. Bye.